Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel Review Eco. Today I go on review about Sessia, new generation social network based on blockchain technology. Here is a project at MVP. On the screen is their website. This domain I will put in description. You can go their website to buy Kix token now. In this video, I will introduce about Sessia blockchain. The Bitcoin network of today records less than 10 transactions per second, on average, and adding more nodes won't change that. Write throughput doesn't scale with node count. One can store arbitrary information in a Bitcoin transaction, but not much, dozens of bytes. The total storage capacity of the Bitcoin blockchain grows by about 1 megabyte every 10 minutes. Moreover, total storage capacity doesn't grow when more nodes are added to the network. It takes tens of minutes to hours before a Bitcoin transaction can be considered finalized, i.e. part of the long-term blockchain. Another denning feature of Sessia's blockchain that is needed for our ecosystem to succeed is also different from most available chains. It will be permissioned. Because these limitations will considerably hinder Sessia's ability to deliver the proposed functionality to millions of users, we approach decentralization differently. We will create Sessia based on a solution with a big data database, like Corda and BigChain. Then we'll add blockchain characteristics including decentralization, immutability and built-in support for creation and transfer of Kix as well as all relevant info needed for loyalty programs, like SKU hash, aggregates and promotional campaigns. The proposed solution should have a two-layer consensus. The lower level, MongoDB, Cassandra, etc., handles transaction ordering and crash faults and can be very fast. The higher level, Sessia nodes, handle double spends and malicious attacks and employs BFT consensus mechanism, like Tendermint. The proposed solution will use the Byzantine fault tolerance mechanism, considered the most general and most difficult class of failures among the failure modes. The so-called fail-stop failure mode occupies the simplest end of the spectrum. Whereas a fail-stop failure model simply means that the only way to fail is a node crash, detected by other nodes. Byzantine failures imply no restrictions, which means that the failed node can generate arbitrary data, pretending to be a correct one, which makes fault tolerance difficult. If all participants behave optimally, blockchains are probabilistically immutable. Even if tampering does happen, it can be detected and rejected, mostly because of extensive use of cryptographic signatures and Merkle trees. Another denning feature of Sessia's blockchain that is needed for our ecosystem to succeed is also different from most available chains. It will be permissioned. Unpermissioned blockchain networks are public spaces and, as such, have all the challenges of public goods governance when it comes to ensuring the network's evolution via updates to its rulebook or mechanisms of interaction. As a consequence, innovation is slow to be adopted by these networks, and their security and consensus models have evolving challenges. Enterprises seeking to put in place business process automation and consortiums need a network that is capable of moving in different directions and that can be optimized for different ideas than a public network would likely be optimized to achieve. Permission blockchain networks allow for transparent governance within the consortium only. While this, at times, can be a challenge, it is certainly less of a challenge to ensure evolution of the network in question than where the network was unpermissioned and subject to public goods governance challenges. In this sense, permissioned blockchain networks can be used iteratively to solve very specific business problems and can be optimized to achieve those solutions, rather than having to be built for only the lowest common denominator. The end result is that it is easier to marry the specific business challenges and governance over business processes to the data management solution used by the network. In order to complete immutability of the Sessia blockchain, an anchoring mechanism will be implemented based on Ethereum blockchain. With the anchoring mode, one transaction is committed in every Ethereum block and contains the cumulative hash at the current moment. The irreversibility of the Sessia ledger is ensured by the Ethereum miners. Therefore, Sessia enjoys the same level of irreversibility as Ethereum itself. Network participants should thus include, Sessia kickers will be in control of their personal kick wallets and enjoy a fast and proof-of-work-free experience combined with the mechanics of blockchain, which don't depend on trust. The same goes for online shops, but in their case, the node will be integrated in their payment processing software. Kick store shops with no points of sale outside the Sessia marketplace will be a great place to start your company, as all loyalty programs and analytics will be already integrated into the store's functionality as a pick and pack solution. This video will be finished here. In the next video I will give you more information about this project. Thank for watching. Goodbye.